Every choice you make has consequences, even if you don't see them immediately. This law reminds us to be mindful of the energy we put into the world because it influences the collective consciousness. For example, if you choose to be positive and uplift others, you create a ripple effect that inspires those around you. On the other hand, if you spread negativity, you contribute to an environment of fear and doubt. Understanding this law empowers you to be a force for good and create a reality that benefits not just yourself, but everyone you interact with. The universal laws of attraction are powerful tools that can help you create the life you desire. By understanding and applying these principles, you can align yourself with abundance, happiness, and success. However, manifestation is not just about thinking positively. It's about taking inspired action, maintaining balance, and having faith in the process. When you truly believe in your goals, act with integrity, and stay open to possibilities, the universe will conspire to bring your dreams to life. By living in harmony with these laws, you will find yourself attracting everything you need to live a fulfilling and meaningful life.